What's going on, my friends? Today we are putting Jesus's nuts in our mouth. That's right, my friend Jesus sent us some nuts. So these are these nuts. And this is what is this? The hot cheddar. The hot cheddar. Now, I already opened them up. They smell very good. I love a little nut. So let's go ahead and put some nuts in our mouth. All right. That's some good nuts. I like that. Little kick, but the peanuts offset it very nicely. I'd say these nuts are very good. And Jesus knows I love nuts, so a little bit of nut in my mouth, it's gonna make it a good day. So thank you, Jesus, for these nuts.